How to earn $1 million. Hey, Emma, you won't believe what just crossed my mind. I figured out how we can earn a cool $1 million.
Oh, really? Do tell Jack. I'm all ears.
Well, here's the plan. We start a company that makes personalized Pete accessories. You know, funky collars, stylish leashes, and even fancy pet clothes.
That's an interesting idea, Jack. But how do we get started?
It's simple, Emma. We create a website and set up an online store. We can even take advantage of social media to promote our products. Everyone loves their pets, so we'll have a big market.
I see where you're going with this. But how do we make $1 million?
Ah, that's the fun part. We price our products reasonably and offer excellent customer service. As word spreads about our awesome pet accessories, more and more people will buy from us. We'll start small, but with each sale, we'll be one step closer to our $1 million goal.
I like your optimism, Jack. But what if we want to speed things up a bit?
Well, Emma, we can host events in our local community. Pet lovers can bring their furry friends, and we can showcase our unique accessories. We'll make it a fun-filled day with games, contests, and maybe even some live music.
That sounds like a blast. But will it really help us make $1 million?
Absolutely. We can charge a small entrance fee for the event and donate a portion of the proceeds to local animal shelters. That way, we're not only earning money, but we're also doing something good for the community.
That's a fantastic idea, Jack. It's a win-win situation.
Exactly, Emma. And we can't forget about collaborations. We can team up with popular pet influencers or bloggers. They can promote our products to their followers, giving us even more exposure.
Smart move, Jack. Their followers would be interested in our accessories and we'd reach a wider audience.
And here's the cherry on top. We can offer exclusive limited edition items for the extra enthusiastic pet owners out there. People love feeling special, and this way, we can create a sense of urgency and drive up demand.
That's genius, Jack. Limited editions will surely make our customers feel like VIPs.
Now, let's not forget about our loyal customers. We can introduce a referral program where they earn discounts or freebies for referring their friends to our website.
That's a fantastic incentive, Jack. People love getting rewarded for spreading the word.
Absolutely, Emma. It's a win. Win for everyone. Our customers get great discounts, and we get more sales. The $1 million will be within reach.
I'm excited about this venture, Jack. But it sounds like a lot of work. Are you ready for the challenge?
Of course, Emma. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will our $1 million be. But with determination, hard work, and a sprinkle of humor, we'll get there.
You're right, Jack. With our creativity and passion, nothing can stop us. Let's turn our pet accessory dreams into a $1 million reality.
Absolutely, Emma. Together, we'll conquer the pet accessory world and make our bank account smile. What do girls like in guys? Hey, Sarah, I've always wondered, what do girls really like in guys? I feel like it's a mystery that needs solving.
Oh, Tom, you're opening up a can of worms here. But don't worry, I'll give you the inside scoop. So, first things first, a good sense of humor is key. Girls love guys who can make them laugh.
Ah, humor. Got it. I'll have to brush up on my dad jokes then. What else do girls like?
Well, confidence is a big one, Tom. Girls like guys who believe in themselves and are comfortable in their own skin. Someone who can rock that awkward dance move without a care in the world.
Confidence, huh? I'll work on my dance moves and own them with pride. Anything else?
Definitely. Girls appreciate guys who are good listeners. They want someone who shows genuine interest in what they have to say and can hold a conversation. So put that phone down and give your full attention.
Right. Active listening. No more zoning out while nodding along. I'll be present and attentive. What's next on the list?
Well, Tom, kindness is a winner. Girls like guys who are considerate and compassionate. It's all about those little acts of kindness that make a big difference, like holding the door open or offering to carry heavy grocery bags.
Kindness. Got it. I'll channel my inner gentleman and be the ultimate door holder and bag carrier.
That's the spirit, Tom. And speaking of spirit, girls appreciate guys who are passionate about something. It could be a hobby, a career, or even a cause. Passionate guys are intriguing and inspiring.
Passion, huh? I'll find something I'm truly passionate about and dive right into it. Maybe I'll start collecting rubber ducks or something.
Hey, whatever floats your boat, Tom. Girls also like guys who take care of themselves. A little grooming and personal hygiene go a long way. So keep those nails clean and trim, and don't forget to brush those pearly whites.
Personal hygiene. Got it. No more caveman vibes for me. I'll be the epitome of cleanliness and dental hygiene.
That's the spirit, Tom. Oh, and girls also appreciate guys who are supportive. They want someone who encourages their dreams and helps them grow. So be their biggest cheerleader and lend a helping hand whenever needed.
Supportive. Got it. I'll be the ultimate cheerleader with palm. Palms and everything. Rah, rah.
Haha, I can picture that, Tom. Lastly, girls love guys who are genuine and true to themselves. Be authentic, be you. Trying to be someone you're not won't impress anyone in the long run.
Authenticity. Got it. No more pretending to be someone I'm not. I'll embrace my quirks and be proud of who I am.
Exactly, Tom. Just be yourself, and the right girl will appreciate you for who you are.
Thanks for the advice, Sarah. I feel like I have a secret manual now. I'll go out there and be the best version of myself.
That's the spirit, Tom. Good luck on your journey to girl. Approved greatness?
Can money really buy happiness? Hey, Sarah, have you ever wondered if money can really buy happiness?
Oh, Mark, that's a never-ending debate. Some say it can, while others disagree. What do you think?
Well, personally, I believe money can bring some happiness, but not necessarily true happiness. I mean, it can buy you a fancy car, but it won't guarantee a joyride every day.
You've got a point there, Mark. Money can provide comfort and security, but it can't buy love or meaningful relationships.
Absolutely. Money might buy you a luxurious dinner, but it won't buy you the laughter and warmth of good company.
That's so true. Happiness comes from experiences, not material possessions. It's about making memories and cherishing moments.
Right. Like that time we had a hilarious game night with friends. We were all broke, but it was one of the happiest evenings ever.
Oh, I remember that. We laughed so hard that night. Our stomachs hurt. No money in the world could replace that kind of happiness.
Exactly. And remember, money can't buy health either. You can be the richest person alive, but if you're sick, all the money in the world won't make you happy.
So true, Mark. Good health is priceless. It's not something money can purchase.
And let's not forget about the simple pleasures in life, like enjoying a sunset or cuddling with a loved one. Money can't replicate those moments.
Oh, I love sunsets. They're free and always breathtaking. Money can't buy nature's beauty.
You're absolutely right, Sarah. Money might bring temporary happiness, but true happiness is found in the little things that money can't buy.
I couldn't agree more, Mark. Like helping others and making a positive impact. That's where true happiness lies.
That's a great point. Generosity and kindness are far more fulfilling than any material possession money can buy.
And let's not forget the joy of pursuing our passions and doing what we love. Money can't give us that sense of fulfillment.
Spot on, Sarah. Doing what we love brings us a sense of purpose and happiness that no amount of money can replace.
So it seems we both agree that while money can bring temporary happiness and comfort, true and lasting happiness comes from within.
Absolutely, Sarah. Money might make life easier, but it can't buy genuine happiness.
Well said, Mark. It's been a delightful conversation. Let's remember to focus on the things that truly bring us joy.
Agreed, Sarah. Life is too short to chase money at the expense of true happiness.
Wise words, my friend. Let's go out and create moments that money can't buy.
I'm all for that, Sarah. Let's embrace the simple joys and live life to the fullest.